Hello everyone, it's Kira King here, aka Mother Eagle. Today I wanted to talk about confidence and where does confidence come from? First of all, what is confidence? I think um, I've considered confidence as that um, inner surety that you have that, you're okay to be yourself, you're, you're you have a knowing that whatever you are, whatever you do, is from a good place, a convincing place, an anchored place. That's the way I look at confidence. Then the question is, where does it come from and how can you get some? What I discovered on my own, confidence journey pretty much was if you start to understand that you're not alone, that you have assistance, God is with you. Because if you just think about our limited human capacity, you can totally give up really quickly and you can feel so insignificant that even the little you can't put out there or do. So knowing you, who you believe in, what you believe in, with a strength, that will help you boost your confidence because you won't fail, or if you fail, it's a lesson to help you get to another level. So the other thing is where confidence comes from is mastering your gifts, your talents. Once you start to master them, it gets easier, you know. Hello, how are you? Yes, you interrupted my video and I'm going to continue. Yes, the person you saw in the back, yeah, that's my sister and my partner here at Sunshine. Let's continue on. Here we can't continue because I've lost my train of thought. you